In this tutorial, we will explain how to open Microsoft PowerPoint on a Windows 10 computer in a clear and straightforward manner. Begin by turning your attention to the computer's interface, where you will find the familiar Start menu. Typically located in the bottom left corner of your screen, the Start menu is your gateway to all of your applications and programs. When you click on it, a menu will open, allowing you quick access to your software. After the Start menu appears on your screen, direct your focus towards the search capability built into it. In the search bar, begin typing the word PowerPoint. As you type, you should see matching results appear in a list below. This intelligent search function is designed to help you locate programs quickly and efficiently, so you do not have to navigate through multiple folders or directories. Once PowerPoint appears in the search results, move your cursor over the icon and click on it. Opening Microsoft PowerPoint is a straightforward task, as the application is usually pre-installed on most Windows 10 systems. By clicking on the program from the search results, you are instructing your computer to launch the application, allowing you to access its suite of presentation tools. After the program has launched, give a moment for Microsoft PowerPoint to fully open. The application interface should be visible on your screen, displaying various options such as creating a new presentation, opening a recent file, or browsing through templates. The layout is designed to be user-friendly, giving you quick access to your work or helping you start a new project from scratch. At this point, identify and locate your PowerPoint presentation that you intend to work on. This could be as simple as finding it in a list of your recent documents, or using the file navigation tools within PowerPoint to search your computer. Now that you have Microsoft PowerPoint open and your presentation ready to be accessed, take a moment to review the workspace. Familiarize yourself with the ribbon at the top, which contains groups of commands neatly organized into tabs, the slide pane on the left displaying your slides, and the main slide area where you can add or edit content. By exploring these elements, you can ensure you are comfortable with navigating the program as you begin your work. Remember that this process is designed for ease and efficiency. When you first click on the Start menu, you are taking the first step toward accessing one of the most powerful presentation tools available in Windows 10. From typing PowerPoint into the search bar to clicking the program to launch it, each of these actions is built to simplify your workflow. Familiarity with these steps will help you become more confident when handling other applications in the Windows environment. Enjoy the creative freedom that Microsoft PowerPoint provides as you open and work with your important presentations.